What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another mega video. Right, in this particular video I'm going to share with you guys an airdrop that I actually participated in season 1. It actually gave me around $30 for clicking a few buttons. I did not even take it seriously. Right, you can see it on the screen right now. I just had around 600,000 SSI points. It's SOSO value, right? I had about 600,000 and I was airdropped over 30 SOSO, and back then one SOSO was worth $1, so 30 SOSO was automatically $30, right? Meaning that was around 50,000 naira back then. In fact, it was just about, I believe, just last month, or no, early this month that happened. That is season 1, and I made a cool, easy 50,000 naira from doing basically nothing. I just clicked a few buttons, and and I was airdropped 30 SOSO tokens for absolutely free, right? And the season 2 is here and it's going to be ending. I believe the claim for it is going to be starting next month. Yeah, next month, early the first week of next month is going to be the claim is going to be starting. And I'm sorry for not bringing it earlier to your attention. This is why you should follow our Telegram account. Follow our Telegram accounts. I always drop every single thing I talk about here there first, right? I always drop it there first, and then people that always follow us there always get the alpha early. Every single thing. There are some things I just can't start making video about. So follow us on Telegram. Follow us on Telegram. I'm trying to create a very active, strong community, right? We're really working hard behind the scenes trying to make these things work out, right? So to take ourselves together, right, and make so much money in this particular market. Right now, SOSO value is what, around $0.7. So if you get 30 SOSO, let's say you get 30 SOSO from getting around 500,000 to 600,000 points, which you can do right now. Just right now, I'm going to share with you guys exactly how you can get these points for yourself and secure the airdrop for yourself. So you can do it for yourself right now. If you get around 30 SOSO, and one right now is around $0.7, that's around $21 for yourself, right? Which is over 30,000 naira. If you're in Nigeria, imagine doing that with, like, let's say 3 different accounts on 3 different devices, or using VPNs. So there are several methods to farm this stuff on several accounts, right? But that's not what this video is about. This video is about how to farm SOSO value, why you should farm SOSO value, because this is how much you've raised, right? So it's not a joke. It's not, this project is not a joke, right? Without any further ado, yeah, every important links and everything is going to be down in the description box below. Normally, follow us, like this video, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, all that good stuff. Share, comment, every single thing you can do. Let's try to boost this channel. Let's go far. And yeah, let's get straight into my full screen so I share with you guys exactly how to do things step by step. So once you actually use the link down below in the description, once you use the link down below in the description, you're going to be getting free extra 10,000 SSI points for yourself, right? That's free extra points for yourself, about 10,000, right? So, and it will take you to somewhere like this, right? If it does not take you here directly, just come over to this bottom left corner and click on this EXP, and then you find yourself here at this sign up page where you're going to put your email address and then you verify yourself. Or if you're Web3 savvy, you can just link your wallet to it using Mrs. Browser for mobile, right? But yeah, just for the purpose of simplicity and just to make this video quick and easy for you to digest, quickly just put your email address here. Let me just quickly put mine. So guys, I've actually done that and I've created my password. I've just put password for the purpose of this video, then clicked on this captcha and it says success. I'm clicking on next right now, and it should be giving me an email to my email address, and then I'm just going to put in the OTP over here. So guys, once you're done with that, once you put the OTP, it will send you to this page right now. If you actually have some money to stake and all that stuff, you can click here and you'll be sharing over 30 million SOSO with all other people that are staking as well, right? 30 million SOSO right now is worth around $21 million right now, which is insane. Well, at the time of their listing, it was worth around $30 million, right? But it's still a really good amount. If you have the money, you can do your research and then go ahead to stake if you want to. But yeah, for we are farming for free. We don't have that money, so we're just gonna click on this X over here, and you can see for using my link, you're gonna be getting free 20,000 right now. It's not even 10,000 anymore. It's 20,000 for yourself right now, and you can see your own referral link will be here for you, and you can do other stuff. You can refer others for yourself as well, right? So now the next thing right now you can do right now to just gather a lot of points for yourself, at least 400,000, 500,000 right off the bat. You can come over here to do some tasks, right? Like to connect your X account, install their desktop app. If you have a computer, or you can just put in desktop version, just try to install the application, install their mobile app. You can subscribe to their YouTube channel, follow official X, and then follow Socrates AI Twitter account, right? But to do all this stuff, you need to link your Twitter account, and to subscribe to the channel, I don't think you need to link anything. But yeah, I'm not going to be doing every single thing right now. I'm just going to be showing you a few. I'm sure you can do the rest for by yourself. I'm just going to be showing you a few, right, as to how you can actually go ahead to start doing all these other tasks for yourself. First of all, every single day you log in, right? Every single day you log in, you'll be getting over 1,000. Okay, yeah, it's 1,000, 2,000, 1,000, just like that. And then the seventh day, you'll be getting 3,000 SSI points for yourself, right? Per referral, you'll be getting 25,000 if your referral gets to level 1. And level 1 meaning if your referral has over 500,000. Let me show you. If your referral has over 500,000 SSI points, that person will be in level 1, meaning you get over 50,000. So it's good to always like have active referrals to push them to keep going, and all of you will win together, because as you're winning, they're winning, as well as they're winning, you are also winning. So it's a good symbiotic relationship there, right? So yeah, like I was saying, once you log in every single day, you can see in the next 7 hours, 21 minutes and 10 seconds thereabouts, it will be around 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. when I can actually come over here again to claim 2,000 for myself, right? So I'm just going to be doing a little bit of all these ones here for you. Let's just click on this mobile app, install mobile app. We're just going to be installing this one. If you click on install, it will take you to their link tree, right? That is where they have all their links, their website, their buy SSI, iOS app, Android app, X, Telegram, other stuff. But remember, we clicked on the install application. We clicked on the install application button, right? So we're just going to be clicking on either iOS app or Android app. I'm using an Android device, so I'm going to be clicking on Android app. And then the next thing right now, all right guys, so this is the application right now. You can see it says open for me because I already installed it. So for you, you're just going to be clicking on this open right now. And for me, my own application is linked to one of my accounts, so I can't really show you exactly how to do it. But basically, for it to record that you actually install the app, just come over to this exp right here at the bottom right corner. Just click there and then log in. That same email address and the same password, everything you did, just log into the app using it, right? And it will automatically record. It will automatically record on the website that yes, you actually installed the app, right? So let me just show you exactly what I mean. Okay, like I told you guys, I've already done some work on another account here, but basically, let me just log out, right? So basically, I'm just going to click on this exp stuff, and then you can see log in here. You can see sign up here. We're no longer signing up. We already signed up. We're going to be logging in right now, right? So once we log in, just put your email here, put your password here, and then just log in, right? Once you're done with all that stuff, just go back to the website. Let's see. So once you're done, just go back to the website right now. This is the website. Just click on OK. Let's just quickly. All right, so oh, by the way, follow our Telegram channel. You can see I dropped it here. I'm even saying I'm going to be doing this particular video I'm doing right now. I've already talked about it. I've already dropped it. So follow our Telegram channel. That's just by the way. So yeah, go back to the website. You can log in back to the website. Let's go over to Chrome. Let's go to Chrome. You can just quickly log in. All right. So this is where we left off. Just click on back. Let's see. Okay, it's taking us somewhere else. Okay, so this is the website, right? Just click on the website and it should take you back to SOSOVALUE website right now. If you are logged out, of course, come down here and log in again, right? I just want to show you exactly how it works, how you can actually gather some points for yourself. So I have just 21,000 right now. I don't know what I did, what extra stuff I did. Well, yeah, that's just basically how you do it. So once you're done with the installing, you're going to see where it says verify and all that stuff. Just click on verify. The reason why I can't really do it here is because this particular airdrop, this particular social value, I believe they are tracking the IP, right? So it's very difficult if you already have an account, an active account on your phone, and you try to want to do another one, right? Except you use another device. Even though I'm just trying to show you guys how easy it is to gather some points for yourself. You can see I just left and came back. I already have 21,000. It was 20,000, and now I have 21,000, right? So you can also come here. You can watch YouTube videos. Let's just click on that. Let's do the simple ones. You can watch YouTube videos. Let's see.
Welcome to SOSOVALUE's for Renew Studio.
All right. So one thing about all these drops is that you don't even need to watch the entire thing. You can just like click on it and then allow it to talk. Just allow it behind the scenes for a little while, and then just go back. Or let's just click back. Let's just click back from here. Let's just click back. Okay, that didn't work, which is weird. So we're just going to wait for this timer to finish, and once it's done, we're just going to click on verify, and then we'll claim our rewards. Is that simple, right? Just do all these tasks right here. Connect your Google account, connect your X account. Just do all these tasks right here, and this is how easy it is, right? You can follow them on X, do all this other stuff right here. Like I said, I can't really do all these stuff with you guys. If not, I may be blacklisted as a CBIL, right? I may be seen as a bot or something like that, and they may blacklist me if I go further on this particular device, right? But I'm just gonna claim this thing in front of you guys so you guys can actually see how it works. All right, so the countdown is over. Just click on verify, and it should give us, okay, yes, you can see 25,000 today. This particular one gave us I believe 10,000 or thereabouts. I went from 21, okay, I went from 21,000 to 25,000, so he actually gave us 4,000, right? So you can see this is how easy it is to complete all these tasks. Just watch videos, just share their X quotes, quotes something, quote any official tweet mentioning SOSO value crypto, and then you can just reply to one of their comments, like, very simple things you can do that will actually position you for at least 30 SOSO, right? Like I showed you guys earlier in the video, 30 SOSO is what, around $21. So just do all these little things. You can earn more than that. I'm just giving you guys the motivation as to why you should at least do this stuff. It's very simple, very easy. If you have several other devices, you can try it on those other devices as well, right? So this is basically the video I've brought for you guys, right? What do you think about it? Leave me a like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications if you actually gained any sort of value from this. If you want a much more in-depth video where maybe I use another device, I get another device and use it to show you guys exactly how to really farm this stuff, because I feel like these things are just easy things you can actually do on your own. But yeah, if you want me to like hold your hands and whatever, yeah, you can comment down below. Of course, on Telegram you can easily reach out to me and be like, okay, this is exactly what I want, and I'll be able to answer you there way more easily, right? So follow us on Telegram, like I've said. Use the link down below, use the referral code, all that stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching.